A young woman from Edmonton has made a brilliant discovery in the world of mining diamonds. It's a method of extracting more precious gems that might otherwise be destroyed. As CTV's David Owasik reports, what's really impressive, she's still only in high school.
It's the setting most people are familiar with when it comes to diamonds, inside a jewelry store. So many different cuts and colors and sizes.
Still, the most important thing is the cutting of the diamond. That gives the diamond the most brilliance and the fire.
Finding the right one, not a quick process, says one gemologist.
They want oval, and then they want round, and then most of the people like what's in the magazines, like what the actresses are wearing.
This is what a raw diamond looks like when it comes out of the ground. The University of Alberta says a local teenager may have just discovered a way that makes finding them easier than ever before.
Assemble this bucket, pour water into the bucket.
Meet Hamdi Ali, a high school student who's also part of the University of Alberta's Wisest program. It's meant to encourage women to explore the many fields of science. But geology, not something Hamdi had thought about.
I don't really know anything about geology, so it was a little disconcerting when I first saw the self-rag and realized that I was going to be working with it.
And then she started working with this machine.
And this cathode tip would descend. It's a high-voltage electronic desegregation device, which sounds pretty fancy, but it just means that it destroys rocks using 200,000 volts of electricity.
The 17-year-old, along with her grad student mentor, experimented by X-raying a piece of rock to show it had diamonds throughout.
What Hamdi discovered was pretty unique and unexpected.
Then they cut the rock into halves, crushing one part with the diamond industry standard mechanical vibrating plates. The diamonds inside were destroyed. For the other half, Hamdi used that device called a self-rag machine and shot high-voltage pulses to break down the other half of the rock.
She found 10 diamonds. So what that implies is that when you use a mechanical crusher, you're actually damaging a significant number of diamonds and decreasing your total diamond yield.
Her discovery led to a presentation in front of diamond industry geologists. Hamdi says it was intimidating and exhilarating all at once.
I was actually really nervous because initially I was meant to just present it, like stand in front of my poster, but I actually presented in a theater with a lot of people there. And I was nervous, but it was a pretty great experience.
And the gemologist who designs and sells the finished product finds it fascinating.
To find a machine that might set the world on fire, you know.
The university hoping Hamdi's discovery might inspire other young women.
You don't need to have a PhD to do good scientific research. You just need to have a new idea, and you need to work hard to make sure it happens.
As for the 17-year-old, her future not yet completely set in stone.
I'm excited to figure out where to go from here.
But she's definitely considering a future in geology.